This newly released footage shows the Dragonfire laser-directed energy weapon system in action, and it could be in the hands of military personnel in 5 years' time. It destroys targets with an intense beam of light and has pinpoint accuracy. It's able to hit something the size of a £1 coin from a kilometre away.
So we've been talking about the cost of firing a laser weapon to be £10 a shot. And really all we're talking about is the cost of the energy that you need to fire the laser weapon, obviously once you've got the system in place in the first place. And that compares very favorably with missiles, which might be thousands or tens of thousands or even more per single shot.
Scientists say Dragonfire proved itself in testing in Scotland and has the potential to transform the UK's defence capability. It could be used on land or sea and would remove the reliance on high-cost ammunition.
Drones are a really good example of the kinds of targets that a laser weapon would be very effective against. And certainly in our demonstrations, drones are one of the targets that we've successfully engaged on a number of occasions at really useful ranges.
Britain isn't alone in developing this technology. Militaries around the world see the advantage, like Israel, which has Iron Beam, designed to destroy short-range objects too close for the Iron Dome system.
We don't like to compare Dragonfire too specifically with what's being done in other countries, because they have their own research programs which we're not privy to. But what I would note is that the Dragonfire technology that we've designed is UK bespoke technology, which is owned by us and can be used by us in support of generating laser weapons for our own platforms in future.
Dragonfire is now back from Scotland and will potentially be involved in further trials. Claire Sadler, Forces News. Thanks for watching. For more from Forces News, like and subscribe to our channel.
The UK Ministry of Defence, MOD, announced on Friday that it had achieved the country's first high-power firing of a laser weapon against aerial targets during a trial at the MOD Hebrides range. The Dragonfire Laser-Directed Energy Weapon, LDEW, system, developed through a £100 million, $126 million, joint investment by the MOD and industry partners, demonstrated pinpoint accuracy and low long-term costs, marking a milestone in the advancement of laser-directed energy weaponry. Dragonfire, classified in its range but designed as a line-of-sight weapon, can engage any visible target, showcasing its potential as a revolutionary tool in the battlespace. The precision achieved by Dragonfire is exemplified by its ability to hit a £1 coin from a kilometre away. Laser-directed energy weapons, operating at the speed of light, utilize an intense beam of light to cut through targets, leading to structural failure or impactful results if the warhead is targeted. The cost-effectiveness of Dragonfire is highlighted by the fact that firing it for 10 seconds equates to the cost of using a regular heater for just an hour, positioning it as a long-term, low-cost alternative for certain tasks missiles currently perform. The operational cost of the laser is typically less than £10, $12 per shot. Led by the Defence Science and Technology Laboratory, DSTL, in collaboration with industry partners MBDA, Leonardo, and Kinetic, Dragonfire's successful trial opens the possibility of integrating this technology into the future air defense capabilities of both the Army and Royal Navy. Defense Secretary Grant Shapps emphasized the potential of this cutting-edge weaponry to revolutionize the battlespace, reducing reliance on expensive ammunition and lowering the risk of collateral damage. The latest milestone builds on previous successful trials, including the first static high-power laser firing and the demonstration of Dragonfire's ability to track moving air and sea targets with high accuracy at range. The Dragonfire weapon system, resulting from a £100 million joint investment, supports highly skilled UK jobs in cutting-edge technologies, offering a significant enhancement to the UK's capability in LDEW systems. Dr. Paul Hollinshead, DSTL's chief executive, highlighted the agency's expertise in realizing the potential opportunities and understanding the threats posed by directed energy weapons. The Dragonfire trials signify a crucial step forward in integrating this technology into the armed forces' preparedness for the future.
The Dragonfire laser has achieved a UK first with a high-power firing against an aerial target. With precision accuracy and costing only around £10 per shot, it's a potential game-changer for air defence. Working closely with industry, the UK continues to invest in cutting-edge technologies to keep the nation safe.